If you do your due diligence before hiring a builder, you should have no problems whatsoever. And the main point is just to not rush into deciding who does that work for you. Some tips for spotting a cowboy builder. The alarm bells should be ringing if a builder has no references, if they knock on your door and they ask for work, if their quotes are invitingly low, if they insist that they don't need a contract. You should also be wary if a builder asks to be paid for a full job up front and they don't have a registered business. The biggest red flag though is if the builder is free to start work tomorrow, because demand for building work is incredibly high at the moment and professional builders are generally booked up for months in advance. We would recommend that you take the time to research your builder before working with them. A really good starting point is to seek recommendations from either friends, family or colleagues, and consider whether the builder is a member of a reputable trade association, just like the Federation of Master Builders. Can they put you in touch with any previous clients or provide you with some testimonials? Will they be willing to show you past renovation projects? And if you do get the opportunity to visit a past project, ask the clients how they found the builders to work with. Did they deliver the project on time and on budget? Were they punctual? Were they good at communicating? Were they clean and tidy? In our experience, we get a lot of recommendations from friends, families, colleagues, because we end up doing a really good job for people. And I think that's what being a good builder is really all about.